everyone, it is Sunday, August 13th already, 2023. Where has this year gone? Laurie Blomer here to do my weekly card pull. This week I am working with Nikisha Vanderhoven's, if I'm pronouncing her last name right, I hope I am, Rabbit Oracle. Why? Because I just got back from vacation and there were rabbits everywhere. Rabbits on the ground, real rabbits, images of rabbits. Even went into a place called the Lucky Hare Brewery. Had rabbit beer. So it's just been a rabbitorama. And I always take them, well, of course, those of you who know me and have been in my office before also know that I happen to have right over here a rather large group of rabbits of a collection of many in my office. So they mean something to me. They mean growth. They mean the divine feminine. They mean being alert to possibilities, alert to changes, and also responding quickly to changes in both a good way and also in a warning way. But I generally think of it as just being alert and aware of my circumstances and acting on things when I should. So I'm using this deck. And as always, I'm going to shuffle while I think about my purpose here, which is to choose a card for myself and for anyone else who's watching this for spiritual reflection and spiritual inspiration this week. So I'm just doing a few shuffles till it feels right. And going to pull a couple from the middle as I sort of lock in on the coordinates of that feeling of spiritual reflection, spiritual inspiration. I'm going to do one more. And then I'm going to choose my card, whichever one my thumb is on, which is the bottom one, actually, interestingly. Lake. Well, let me tell you something funny here. We just got back from a place, the Finger Lakes of upstate New York here in the U.S. We stayed at a place on a hill that had an overlook of the Seneca Lake. And I'm just laughing. So to me, what's the takeaway? First of all, water always represents intuition and emotion when it comes to looking at tarot. But I look at the scene of the two of them being very relaxed. We have 11 here. 11 to me is a wonderful number. It's a master number in numerology. And for me, it's going to be savoring the experiences that I had in the beautiful state parks up there. Time that I got to spend with my husband, which was really enjoyable, and getting away from kind of the daily to-dos of our normal lived experience and retaining an element of that. So it's funny because I woke up this morning and I took a walk as I always do, and I was just so grateful for this really wonderful vacation, most of which was spent in these national parks that were absolutely gorgeous, like Watkins Glen, for example, and just being so appreciative of the time that I spent and how restorative it is. So I want you to think about, for you, for example, where you have an opportunity to be still and an opportunity to recharge your batteries. And even if that's just from moments of a day, or because you're thinking, you know what, Laurie, I haven't taken a vacation in a long time and I haven't seen the water in a while. So let me start to plan that getaway so that I can spend some time just relaxing, regrouping, recharging, re-energizing as well. Because again, the message for me, since we've got them sitting on the water here in this boat, means sometimes just being still and taking some time off, also is so restorative emotionally. Kind of helps us set a reset button so we can go back and deal with the normal day-to-day aspects of our lives feeling refreshed. So there you go. Lake, 11, bunnies. It's all good. Hope you have a wonderful week. LaurieBlomer.com is my website. LaurieBlomerPsychic@gmail.com is my email address. Would love to hear from you. Would love to work with you. And I hope you have a wonderful week. And I hope it's filled with wonderful times like this where you can just be still, enjoy, recharge your batteries. Okay? Thanks for watching.